What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I received from a brand called Tonor. So Tonor was nice enough to send one of their budget USB condenser microphone. This thing goes for around $42 and exact model we have here, Tonor TC-777. Now this microphone works with Windows, Mac, Linux, and also this microphone comes with everything you need. So basically plug and play. It does come with a microphone stand. It does come with a shock mount. It comes with a pop filter, a wind muff, basically everything guys. So today let me do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what you get for $42. And after that basically I'll connect this microphone to my computer and we'll test and see how this microphone performs. Now one more thing, this microphone can record up to 16-bit and 44,000 kilohertz. So pretty good for voiceover, live stream, not too bad. So let's jump in and open the box. Alright, so right after you open the box, you guys can see here, the first thing you will see the service card right here. So this service card basically comes with a 2-year replacement warranty, so you're covered for 2 years. And also you have here instruction manual, a small pop filter. So you guys can see it does come with a small pop filter. You can screw this pop filter on to the microphone stand. All right, and we have here microphone, wind muff, stand, and everything. Basically everything just connected. You basically don't have to do anything. So let me just pull this thing out. Here is the wind muff right here. Okay, and then we have the microphone right here with the stand and everything else. Alright guys, so you guys can see everything is basically right here. You just basically have to open and just, you know, basically screw the pop filter here and plug the USB and you're good to go. So stand is pretty good. You can unscrew this stand, and let me show you guys the stand real quick. So the stand is made out of metal. Just this part right here, mount part, is plastic, and then you have like rubber fits. Okay, so it's pretty solid. All right, and then here we have the microphone itself. So this microphone is a cardioid microphone. You guys can see you have here Tonor logo right here, so you can only record from this side. And also the shock mount is pretty good. I hope you guys can see. Pretty good shock mount. All right, and let me just screw the stand back on. So all right, so the stand is on, and now let me just install the pop filter. So pop filter, basically you can just screw it on just like this. All right guys, ready to go. So one thing I didn't like about this microphone, as you guys can see here, you can detach this USB cable. So basically if this USB cable does get damaged, then microphone is not going to work, and maybe that's why they are providing 2 years warranty, so you don't have to worry about if this USB cable does get damaged, maybe they will replace the microphone for you. So for $42, I'm willing to take this risk. Not bad. So let me just connect this microphone and let's see how this thing performs. Alright guys, you guys can see I have the microphone on my desk, and the microphone looks really good guys, especially with that small pop filter and the microphone stand, and also you have the shock mount. I didn't put the wind muff because I don't need the wind muff. Microphone seems to sound good even with the pop filter, but if you think you need wind muff, you can always install the wind muff, but I don't really need. and the USB cable is pretty long, around 4.5 feet. And also you can easily plug this USB to your computer USB port, USB 2.0 or 3.0, doesn't really matter. And today basically I'll use my Windows computer and show you guys how to set up this microphone. Alright guys, so I just plugged the Tonor TC-777 USB condenser microphone to my Windows computer, and this computer basically I use for gaming purpose, and I do time to time use for workstation purpose, but this setup is mainly for gaming, live streaming. So today real quick I'll show you guys how to set up this Tonor TC-777 USB condenser microphone with your Windows computer, and this microphone also does work with Mac and Linux. So after you plug the microphone to your computer, you can go to this speaker icon here and then right click on that, go to sound, and then go to recording, and then you can pick your Tonor TC-777 audio device right here, then click on properties, then go to levels, and I have levels set to 90. I feel like 90 is perfect for my need, and 80 was a bit lower for my taste, but I feel like 90 is perfect. So after that you can just click on OK. Now we have the microphone basically working properly. Now we can open Audacity, and currently I'm like 15 inches away from the microphone, so I'm pretty far from the microphone. Now first basically I'll record the ambient room noise for you guys. Okay, I have my computer like 20 inches away from this microphone. I have my keyboard like 5 inches away from this microphone. So let me just record the ambient noise for you guys. So my room is pretty quiet other than my computer tower. So only thing you guys maybe hear the computer fan. Other than that, you shouldn't hear anything else. Let's do real quick keyboard noise test. So I have the keyboard like 5 inches, maybe 5 to 6 inches away from the microphone right now. Alright, so you guys can hear the keyboard noise also, so we can close this. So right now I'm basically 12 inches away from the microphone. Okay, so you guys can hear my voice with the Tonor TC-77 USB condenser microphone. Right now I'm like 5 inches away from the microphone. Okay, so you guys can hear my voice with Tonor TC-777 USB condenser microphone. Right now I'm like 4 inches away from the Tonor TC-777 USB condenser microphone. Right now I'm like 15 inches away from Tonor TC-777 USB condenser microphone. So you guys be the judge and let me know in the comment section if you do like this microphone sound quality. Alright guys, so one downside with this microphone doesn't have any physical bottom on this microphone. Like it doesn't have mute button, it doesn't have like gain controller. So if you need to control gain, if you need to mute the microphone, basically you have to do everything from the software side. You cannot do anything from this microphone. So if you are a streamer and you need a physical button to basically mute the microphone, you can actually do that with this microphone. But overall, I think this microphone performed pretty good. And for streaming, for doing voiceover and stuff, this microphone should be more than enough. If you're planning on buying a microphone for like Zoom video call, this microphone should be way more than enough for your purpose. So guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any question, leave your question in the comment section, and also there will be a link in the video description for this microphone you guys can check out. And that should be it, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.